General Ronald de la Rosa, Police Deputy Director General Francisco A. Oyami Jr., Police Director Benjamin Magala, Police Chief Superintendent Ramon Apolinario, Police Senior Superintendent Gilberto Cruz, Police Senior Superintendent Mario Larisa Jr., Police Senior Superintendent Remigio Sedanto, lahat po ng kapulisan, mga miyembro po ng ating pribadong sektor, and special mention to my good friend Chito Sobrepena. Good morning and congratulations on the 24th anniversary of the Police Community Relations Group. Binabati ko kayo dahil wala kayong humpay sa pagtupad sa atas ng inyong pinuno na si PNP Director General Ronald de la Rosa, ang bukod tanging bato na pwede nating tularan. Mabuting ehemplo si General Bato, tulad ng ating Paolo na nagtiwala sa kanya. At malaki din ang tiwala ni General Bato na may pag-asang mas malinis pa ang kapulisan, mas maging marangal muli, at mas maging karapat-dapat sa respeto ng taong bayan. Tiwala ko na mangyayari ito sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni General Bato dahil kung tutusin, marami sa inyong hanay ay tapat sa tungkulin at maaasahan ng mamamayan. Nandiyan si Police Officer Julius Ryan Miranda ng Mexico Police Station na tumanggi sa 100,000 piso na suhol para pakawalan ng isang pinaghinalaang drug pusher na nahuli sa isang bypass operation sa Pampanga. O si Airport Police Officer Danilo Sanchez na sa kasagsagan ng balitang tanimbala sa NAIA ay nagsole ng 67,000 piso sa isang OFW o ang rookie cop na si Police Officer Roel Armisin na mag-isang pinigilan ng ginawang pag-atake ng 15 NPA sa isang presinto sa South Cotabato. Ilan lang sila sa natatanging mga pulis na bumubuo sa dakilang institusyon na Philippine National Police. We especially pay tribute to the many unsung men and women in uniform of the PCRG, whose selfless pursuit of duties and responsibilities has become a model to their buddies and peers and source of pride to the PNP. They include those who are the first line of defense in times of emergencies, calamities, and disasters, who instead of thinking for the safety of their own families or family members are the first in the scene, going from house to house, vehicle to vehicle, to search for the injured and to assist the survivors. I am pleased to share with you that the President himself recognizes the importance of community relations in public service. If you recall, in his State of the Nation address, the President laid down his plans and programs for the country, most of which involved improving relations with the community. The President understood that government exists mainly to serve the people. That is why he ordered the swift production and release of car plates, as well as the speedy processing of driver's licenses. The President also ordered the DOTC to fast-track the delivery of new trains, the extension of LRT operation hours, and to widen the accessibility of train tickets. At the Presidential Communications Office, where I work, the President commanded us in the interest of transparency and accountability to make available to the people government contracts and other documents by operationalizing his executive order on the freedom of information. He also told the Secretary to the Cabinet to empower the people to voice their complaints on corruption and red tape in the government by institutionalizing the 8888 as the All Citizens Complaint Center. On top of that, the President ordered the DILG to nationalize the highly successful Davao Hotline for response, which incidentally we will inaugurate today. The 911 hotline. Truly, our President is a President that advocates strengthening community relations. This is my challenge to the Police Community Relations Group today, as you celebrate your 24th anniversary. What can you do to improve community relations between the police and the public? What programs and activities will the PCRG plan in order to operationalize in the PNP the President's call to be a partner for change? I will help you with your answers, and be mindful of what the President said in his first SONA. He reiterated his commitment to fight criminality, illegal drugs, and corruption. He called on the PNP not to lower your guard, to double your efforts, and I quote, to triple them if need be. We will not stop until the last drug lord, the last financier, and the last pusher have surrendered or put behind bars or below the ground, if they so wish. To our police officers and other officials, do your job, and you will have the unwavering support of the office of the President, unquote. The President is very proud of you, and I hope you are likewise proud of your Chief Executive, especially his love for the Philippines. Huwag nating biguin ang ating Paolo sa kanyang pangako na sugpuin ang droga at kriminalidad sa lipunan. Sabi niyang paulit-ulit, matanda na siya. Hindi niya kailangan ang posisyon o kapangyarihan. Walang halaga sa kanya ang ambisyon o popularidad. Tinanggap niya ang hamon bilang Pangulo dahil mahal niya ang bayan at ang sambayanang Pilipino. Higit sa lahat, ang mahihirap, maliliit, walang boses, ang laging naiiwanan ng kalinga ng gobyerno. Let me end this message for the PCRG and the PNP with another quote from our beloved President. There can never be real, tangible, and felt development without making our people feel secure. And it is our duty to uplift the people's welfare. Congratulations again to the Police Community Relations Group and to the PNP. Kayo ay tunay na partner for change. Kailangan ng bayan ang marangal at magiting na mga tagapaglingkod. Huwag kayong mapapagod at mawawalan ng loob para sa tagumpay ng tunay na pagbabago. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.